Hey guys, as usual, ADDBM here, and today we are going to start with the booster build-up series, the third chapter, exercise. So without any further ado, let's get to the first puzzle. If I could open this line, then maybe this could be a mate. Yeah, I agree. There is a battery of the rook and the queen here, so that can't be the idea. So I have to break the battery too. So I think, can I really look into? Okay, that was by mistakenly played. That's fine. Can I be repeated tonight? If you take pawn two, then I think I have a winning chance. After even if you bluff a rook, I can play. Oops. And this is a clear winning position. If you try to escape, then yes, you will succeed, but your position will no longer be able to play you. So, oops. So after takes, you can take with the this and now you have triple forces, so that doesn't work. And if you take this pawn, you are distracting the defender of this square. So if you take with the rook, then I go check with the and if you do it the other way, if you take it with the queen, now I'm going to do the same check with, so next person, again black to play. The obvious move here looks like queen into, and after, okay, this is actually, when I saw this puzzle, I considered first, as now I can go for checkmate. Yeah, but now you can. Okay, to you can take. I can go upwards, and now it's unstoppable. Even if you play h3, it's unstoppable. You try to take my queen, it's unstoppable. That's the answer. Let's just check in the notation. Okay. Key ideas are bishop into g3, then queen into e8 check, king h7, and then king g1. Okay, this is a defense trying to be put up, and now you can play bishop to f2. It's f2 check, yeah. And after takes, take. So that's it. Next puzzle. White to play. Whoops, I kept it on notation. Obvious looks like this, then catcher, check e7, and now you don't have any resource. Let's try doing it in the other order with rook 8, and now if you take, I'm going to make, that's the answer. Next, back to play. Now here, as I have a battery, but that battery has no sense because you have a pin. So let's try to destroy that queen to d2. But here you can play queen to d5 and the answer lengthens. So queen to e4 perhaps. Now you don't have any square available, so you can check me. I can, and now it's okay. Again, I'm going in a pin, but if you want to play the game really, then you have to move your queen, and okay, that's the best move. You have to move your queen, and now you're getting checkmated. So, anyways, it's a winning position. Now, black to play. I want to give a check in here, but the queen is stopping that, so let's stop that idea. And now I can play queen to b5, and if you try to avoid it with queen c2, then I can go mate. There was some disturbance. Okay, you can go mate, and someone outside. Okay, anyways, here the best possible defense or try would be to take and check, and this was easy. Battery here. and again a battery here, so this square has a lot of tension. Again distract the queen or the rook, so I can play queen to c2, and now if you take the rook, and if you take with the queen, again I'm going to do the same thing. So that's that. Now don't see that. Again black to play. This kind of puzzles are interesting because you can see that their opponent's back rank is covered, king can't move, and there are a lot of points of tension here. So I think I need to add another attacker over here or over here, but I can add an attacker over here, it's possible. And if you try to take, I can directly omit. If you take here, I'm going to go check. So that's winning. White to play. You need to open up the position in order to win, because I tried rook takes g7. After king takes, king take, and you can play king f8, h8. Currently we can play what, just h8, and now if you try this, it's not working because it's blocked. And if you try to do something like this, takes, take, and king above. So the g7 pawn must be there, and if we have the same sequence with the g pawn, then the game is winning. So now let's try knight to e7 check first. So after takes, so I think I should take the knight first, and now we have to take the queen, and now black to play. Key idea here in this position is f2 check, but the bishop is dropping it, so just let's take bishop, and after takes back, if you take e, and after check you play king to h1, then again rook c1, after take the queen. Sometimes it looks very sad that you're taking my queen, but what matters is the result, and this. So that's it. Here you have to open the diagonal of the queen. Where are you? Yeah, the diagonal of the queen. So in order to do that, you have to move the knight. So I think I can play knight to a7, but yeah, I think that's also winning. But you can simply play h3, and it's not as much as winning, because now your knight is falling kind of, because if you try to play knight c6, well, these kind of moves can come in the future. So you're not completely winning here. So I think I have to d8 the idea. So here, if you try to play a move like h6, I can take check to move. And now what do I have here? Okay, yeah, I don't need to do that kind of stuff. That's actually I missed that. Okay, so not now. If you take my queen, I'm going to checkmate you. If you play h6, then I'm going to go. Then I'm going to take your queen, and after you take queen, I'm going to take your rook. So I'm a rook up. And what do you have here? Okay, so what options are here? And rook into d8. Okay, rook into knight is an option where you get check. Next one. This is an interesting one. Again, white to play. This looks like a free piece. Let's take it. I think opponent will go check, and now it's a double attack. So I think I can block with the bishop, and after you take it, your queen is out of the game. So I can take in next game. The last puzzle, but not the least. Now it's too much like I want your queen. But if you try to take that, it's going to be so. We have to checkmate the opponent, not get checkmated. What can we do here? I think that I can distract that rook out. I want to get this rook out of this file. Queen F2, and if you take, then it's clear mate. And if you don't take, then I'm going to go for mate. Yep, that's the idea. So I hope you enjoyed. That's it. I'm going to come up with the chapter 4, which is general opening principles, and all of those descriptions have will be uploaded by the time the fourth video is uploaded. So that's it. I'm ADTVM. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe. It takes a lot of time to arrange these positions, analyze them, and then upload the analysis. So I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe to the channel. It doesn't take a lot of time. So that's it. I'm ADTVM and I'm signing out.